So today's topic is about the Rain Man problems, which comes under the topic relative motion 2D. So the first question which arises in our mind is about how to solve this kind of questions. The first type of question that comes in the different question papers are about if the rain falls vertically downwards and a man standing in rest, if the man stands in rest position, then we have to write that the velocity of man with respect to ground will be 0. But that is a very simple case. But if the man moves under the any motion in the, like in this question, it has been given 30 km/h. So we will write velocity of man with respect to ground is plus 30 I cap. We have to write these statements in the form of vector equation by minus 40 j cap plus 30 I cap in this format. So we have to keep this formula in mind that velocity of rain with respect to man and is velocity of rain minus velocity of man, which is being taught in the relative motion 1D. Then we have to write this statement and in this format. And if it is been given to find out the speed of the rain with respect to man, then we have to do the magnitude of the velocity of rain with respect to man by taking mods. And by taking the mod, we have to root over square these two terms, and then we will get the answer. In this graphical statements, if we have to find out the angle in which the rain is falling towards the man, then we have to take this angle as theta, and then tan theta, we have to apply tan theta equal to perpendicular by base, and then we will get the angle in which the rain is being fallen and where the man has to keep his umbrella to save himself. Then the second concept that comes is if the rain is falling in a different angle. If the rain is falling in different angle, then we have to take the two different components of the rain, one in the x-axis, one in the x and one in the y-axis. Is as it given in this example, this is 37 degree and the rain is falling with a 50 km/h. So we will write 50 cos 37. Cos will be written where the angle is being there. So 50 cos 37 and 50 sin 37 is the other angle in the y-axis. So and the man is still in motion with a 40 km/h. So in this case we will write for plus 40 I cap minus 30 j cap, and as the man is moving in the x-axis with the positive direction, so we will write 40 I cap velocity of man with respect to ground. And again we will apply the same logic of velocity of rain with respect to man, and then we will get the resultant of minus 30 j cap by doing the calculation. You can also do in your rough. Now, these are the two different angles which generally comes in the 2D motion that we will get until the next session of the YouTube video of riverboat problems. Then we will again see this angle 53 degree, 37 degree. So I will suggest you all to please note this down, and of this angle of 37 degree 345, and this is 345. The other type is this in which the rain falls with an angle of 30 degree and the man standing here moves in this direction of the rain. Then if he moves or walks, if the man walks into the direction of the rain, then the raindrop will fall vertically downwards for him. So this 30 degree is the velocity of rain with respect to ground, and as the man moves in the walks or moves in 10 km/h with speed, then the velocity of rain with respect to man the rain will fall vertically downwards for him. So then we can, and as this angle will be given and this term will be given by calculating this by taking sine 30 degree, tan 30 degree, then we will get both this and also this term. And thus these are the three: one type, two type and three types of questions that generally comes in any different competitive exam. So I will suggest you to go through this and also practice few questions from the any textbook, and then practice yourself. Thank you.